Okay, number one. Um, Describe a recent situation where you installed or updated an application. Did you have any problems through the installation process, and what did you do to fix the problem? Well, I actually installed the Cute PDF Writer. It was very simple to use. I did not have any problems. I didn't have any problems at all uploading it. Very easy to do. Have you ever created a PDF before? I had never created a PDF until I put the Cute PDF Writer on there. Ended up being a very great tool for my math class that I have to do the work and everything and turn it in on Blackboard in PDF. So this was actually great for a first assignment. I think that PDF files can be very useful as a future teacher in the education environment because you can do stuff outside of your computer. You can take a picture of it with your phone or whatever you have, tablet, and you can upload it right into your computer and then convert it to a PDF file so that your students can have it. And also, the students could use it so that they could do the same thing in return for the teacher. Have you ever used a webcam? Yes, I've used a webcam. I've had to make plenty of videos for different classes. Haven't really had any problems except for apparently my voice didn't record. You couldn't hear me on the last one, so I'm redoing this one and hopefully this will work. Thank you.